package. All right, let's get it open. I got my toenail clippers. Yeah, tell me if you like it. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Fruit jerky. Got a patch. That's pretty cool. Another fruit jerky. Some more gummy bears. That's it. Yep, that's everything in there. Upper. And Handguard. Bam. Together. Just right in. Just right in. So yeah, let's have a look. Two different greens, but I really didn't mind them being two different greens. So yeah, I decided to do my green build. We're gonna rock out like that. And this is a 10.5 inch handguard. So my barrel is gonna stick out about 2 inches. But it's good because of what I got planned, it all work out. So yeah, that's it. That's my handguard. I showed y'all my barrel. We finna get it cracking. You know what I'm saying? Finish this upper, and yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. See how this come together. Follow me on YouTube. I'm over there at YouTube, Rico Review TV. Check me out if y'all want to see how this come